I should just go. It's fine.
How is it? If it's not okay, let me know. Sit down, listen. We'll be opening it and closing it from time to time. Okay? I think it's better like this. That way the belt is not touching your skin directly. Okay.
It doesn't, my playstore doesn't look. It works, but look. I click this thing.
Do you need help?
Here there are those locks.
Where is the pillow? Wait. Are you okay now?
Wait, let me.
Holy moly. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna absolutely help.
Yeah. Guys, let's unbox or let's unpack what hubby came back from the African store with. This is mackerel fish. You guys know me now. I know if you cook soup without this mackerel fish. I love it. Here is tail. I'm going to put them in the freezer, but first I'm going to take out some that I need because I want to cook now. I want to make okra soup. This one is shaki or cow tripe, while this is beef. And these are the okra, the lady fingers. Oh yeah, they have. Then last but not the least, hey, English, is this right here. I guess this is turkey. I didn't ask him to buy this, but let's see what is inside. I said it as if I knew it. This is turkey, guys. Turkey. I don't want to touch it, okay? Yep. So he went meat shopping today, and I cannot wait to cook. Shift. Didn't you see this thing? And you are still pouring the milk. Huh?
God bless me for shampoo by herself.
So you people cannot exercise some patience till I'm done cooking. And guys, hubby also bought these, but he didn't buy them today. I think 2 days ago. Yes. Do you know what this is? Before I open it up, guess in the comment section. Have you guessed? 1, 2, in 3, 2, 1, open. Via. This is kale. You guys know my love for kale now. Yes, this thing represents Ogo for me. I still have my Ogo, the one I came back from Nigeria with, but guys, this thing will soon be out of stock or out of season. It will no longer be in season, so I want to enjoy it now while it lasts. That makes sense. Yes, so I'll be using it, at least one of these, to cook my okra soup. I still have this in the freezer, the one I prepped before we traveled. I have them in the freezer, but let me start with these fresh ones first. Then We'll touch those ones in the freezer later. This my okra soup will be delicious. It's gonna be late. And Blessing has been requesting for this soup. I don't know, for some reason. The other day she was like, Mommy, I want to eat ogbono soup. I made that one. Now she's asking for okra. I'm going to make it. Guys, I want to show you something, or I want to say something. As soon as I brought out this fish, I remembered a video I watched of a guy cooking. So he has a dried fish, the one that has head, that came with the head. This one doesn't have the head. So he washed it and he was like to put the whole thing in the pot without opening the fish. And then the other mind told him to open it up. Who knows? He opened it. Come and see, my God. And he washed it with hot water. So the hot water then killed the maggots, like a lot of it. Look at the picture on the screen. Sorry guys, I was talking and I ran out of memory on my camera. Show the camera. See the camera standing over there. So I'm continuing with my phone because this message is very important and I must deliver it today. So you've seen the picture on the screen. Those white stuff you're seeing there, they are maggots. A lot of it, like they will pack one side and form there, pack one side and form there into, I think, into 3 places. As I did not even look at the video. I didn't want to see it because it was very disgusting. Now, why am I saying this? For those of you that like to just throw your fish, your dried fish inside the pot like that, please stop it. No matter how you want to see it, or I know some people like it in bulk like this. You just throw it in the pot, cook it, and you like to scoop it like that and put in your soup or in your food. I know. See, since I know myself, I've never put fish like this in the pot. I must break it open. I must remove the bone. And I also know, you and I know, that sometimes fish like this, they come with that black insect, yes, that eats fish. I don't like to see that. So I always make sure I open my fish before I throw it in the pot. Make sure you open the fish. Break it open like this. Even though this one is as fresh as ever, I'm the one, I bought it myself. I was there. I saw it with my koro eyes before I bought it. I still make sure I open it up, wash it before I throw it in my pot. Just soak it in water. You can see I've been soaking this one. For my okra soup, I just need only one. I don't want to add more. I'm using this. I'm also using what is it called? Stockfish as well. So I need only one of these. Now you can see is clean. There's nothing in it. Nothing like ants or maggots. His own was maggot, not even that black insect or black ant that used to look something like this, but this one is fish. So open it up and then you can throw it like this in your pot. Stop throwing fish like that in the pot. You don't know what you are eating. I saw that video. I'm like, no, any day I'm cooking with fish, I must make a video talking about it. So be mindful, very mindful of that, please. I don't want none of my subscribers nor my viewers eating maggot. Let me cook in peace. I hope I have delivered my message. I hope that message was clearly delivered and was clearly received by you as well. Ciao. Tell me this thing doesn't look like ugu now. Tell me. Tell me this vegetable now. It doesn't look like ugu. And the good part is that it tastes almost like it, and it's as strong as ugu. It's not as soft as spinach. That's why I love it. When you chew it, you will know that you've shown something. Hey God, food can make me talk rubbish sometimes. What am I speaking? My soup is done, guys. I just switched off the gas. I cannot wait to dive in. Just look at that beauty. And over here is my yellow gari. We are going to be enjoying it with yellow gari. Guys, food is ready. Come and join me. Look how I portion the gari, the way they portion the fufu in Nigeria for me. If you've been watching this series, I'm sure you would have seen the vlog where I and my sister-in-law went to the market, and then we branched at a mama put joint and I asked them to put akpu, which is fufu or swallow, for me. Then my sister-in-law had banga stew with rice that day. Yes, this is exactly how the woman portioned the akpu for me. So I'm doing it with gari, and here is my soup. Come and join me. You all are invited. You know I'm not stingy, right?